How to verify facial verification in Bybit. In this video, I will show you how to verify facial verification in Bybit. So after you open the Bybit app like this, so the first thing to do, now we go to your profile at the top left side. After you open your profile like this, so now we tap on this arrow beside your profile, this one. So after you select the arrow, now scroll to down and tap on this identity verification. After you select the identity verification, if you have not done your facial verification, by selecting that identity verification, it will just prompt you with an option where it will ask you to type in your name and your ID card and your country. After you finish that, so after you finish just the verification, from there it will open your camera and from there it will scan your face. After you finish scanning your face, so from there, if your verification is approved, so you'll be able to see the option like this. As you can see now, your profile will be like this, like my own. As you can see now, my profile is verified, so your profile will be like this. That's it, guys. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next one.